Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to review how to use the SERO 12 Emergency Unlock. How to use the SERO 12 Emergency Unlock. Before we get started, make sure you've tried all the usual methods to get your centrifuge open. If you need a quick review on the centrifuge lid lock system, click the video guide linked on your screen now. If your centrifuge loses power while the lid is closed, or the stop unlock button otherwise becomes disabled, you'll need to use the emergency unlock. To use the emergency unlock, you'll need the emergency unlock tool that came packed in your accessories kit when you unboxed your centrifuge. The emergency unlock is accessible through this small hole in the front of the lid. Insert the provided tool through the hole in the lid. Press down to engage the emergency unlock. When the emergency unlock is engaged, the lid will open, allowing you to access the rotor chamber. And that's all there is to it. If you have any other questions about how to use the emergency unlock, you can always contact Drucker Diagnostics, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.